Hi, I'm Annie from KetoFocus.com, and I like to make different keto recipes. Today I've teamed up with ChocZero and we're gonna bring you an easy keto breakfast recipe. This is something that you can meal prep or just make on the fly. It's very simple to make. So let's get started. The bread for this breakfast sandwich is going to be a chaffle. This is a maple sweetened chaffle. Maple pairs so well with sausage. To make the maple chaffle, you're gonna need 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of almond flour, half a cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, 1 teaspoon of ChocZero maple syrup. I love using ChocZero syrups. They're sugar alcohol free, sugar free, and keto approved. You also want to add a half a teaspoon of baking powder to help the chaffle rise. Mix everything together, pour it in your favorite waffle maker, and let it cook. Now that the maple chaffle is done, you can add the insides. I like to just use sausage and eggs, but you could use bacon if you wanted to. And just assemble your sandwich and enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Make sure you visit ChocZero.com for more delicious recipes.